Will XRP ever hit $10? There have been many price predictions out there, and many of them are saying that the coin can 10 to 50x by the end of 2025. With the price currently sitting at 6 cents. In this video, we'll take a look at what the coin is, and the best price prediction by the end of the year. Now, let's get right to the video. Many believe that a 10 to 50x can be very attainable as long as the coin follows through with a roadmap and enhances the network. But the coin's price will also be impacted by the crypto market's performance, and the adoption rate of and efficiency of the coin. For many people to take any coin into consideration, first we have to look at what the foundational principle is for the coin, and some of the catalysts and things that have to go right for the coin to reach those 10 to 50x numbers and how realistic those price targets can be. And we'll also take a look at a very realistic price prediction for 2025. An overwhelming number of analysts believe that the coin could go well beyond its previous all-time high considering mass adoption, an increase in retail investors, and a combination of whale accumulation. The coin has not gained much popularity, yet despite its huge potential, it's regarded as one of the best cryptocurrencies to hold. First, in the coming years, the performance of the crypto market will have an impact on the coin's price, considering the path of Bitcoin's price and the adoption rate following the implementation of network improvements. You also have to consider that we are now in a new era of cryptocurrency investments. Aside from the regular 3-year bear market to a 1-year bull market, cryptocurrency itself has now taken the attention worldwide, and we are now seeing a new market cycle in the crypto space. So, what is XRP? Launched in 2021, the XRP ledger is an open-source, permissionless and decentralized technology. Benefits of the XRP ledger include its low cost of 0.0002 to transact, speed, settling transactions in 3 to 5 seconds, scalability, 1,500 transactions per second, and inherently green attributes, carbon neutral and energy efficient. The XRP ledger also features the first decentralized exchange and custom tokenization capabilities built into the protocol. Since 2012, the XRP ledger has been operating reliably, having closed 70 million ledgers. Who are the founders of the XRP ledger? In 2012, David Schwartz, Jed McCaleb and Arthur Brito launched the XRP ledger with its native currency XRP as a faster, more energy-efficient alternative to the Bitcoin blockchain. In September that year, along with Chris Larsen, they founded the company that is today known as Ripple. To make an accurate prediction, first we need to look at the efficiency of the coin and any updates it might currently have. The XRP ledger presents a wide variety of applications and use cases related to payments including micropayments, DeFi, and, soon, NFTs. Deployed in 2012, the XRPL supports enterprises in Python, Java, and JavaScript developers with powerful utility and flexibility. On the XRP website, developers can access different tutorials to help them get started using different coding languages, building apps, managing accounts, and more. Alongside its native coin, XRP, the XRP ledger is used by developers to create solutions that solve inefficiencies, including remittance and asset tokenization. Currently, the 5 main applications of the XRP ledger are payments, tokenization, DeFi, CBDCs, and stablecoins. Considering all mass adoption takes place and Bitcoin having hit all of its consolidation periods, we can see a new all-time high of $3 by the end of the year. Having all this in mind and what the founders are doing, we can easily see the coin hit another 10 to 20x by 2025. Remember that the best way to make money with any investment is to be patient with your investments and let them grow over time. Comment down below for any cryptocurrency price prediction you'd like next. Remember